All you have to see is the hugs to know there is plenty of heart at Banner Heart Hospital.
Well, we're a family here. I mean, this becomes a second family.
And while it might seem the hospital is the last place John Kressaty would want to spend his time after a lifetime of heart problems,
I've had every procedure that they do here, I have had done to myself.
turns out he can't stay away.
12 years ago was when I started volunteering, and I've volunteered ever since, even through some other heart issues. After I got over them, I went back to volunteering.
It all started when the staff here helped John prepare for and recover from a heart transplant.
I told them that if I get through this heart transplant, I want to come back and volunteer in the heart hospital.
And true to his word and his new heart, John joined a small army of volunteers at the hospital.
This hospital has over 1,000 volunteers. It's got the second most volunteers in the valley.
Jenna Davis says volunteers fill a vital need.
You know, I can honestly say our doors would not be open without the help of our volunteers. They serve in nearly every department of our campus.
And Health Unit Coordinator Jen Salcido says John pumps enthusiasm into the entire team.
It is a treat, an absolute treat to work with John. I only get him on Wednesdays, and so every Wednesday he just brings a different light to the unit. He's funny, he's a hard worker. Like, you've never met a man like this in your entire life.
The nurses here, they're very busy. So I do secretarial work, I back up the secretary, I answer the phones. So I do really whatever they need. I stock the rooms for supplies and things like that. So I'll do whatever is needed.
But John is most fulfilled helping patients face their fears.
I know that I'm helping somebody. You know, I'm not the doctor, I'm not fixing their problem, but boy, I'm making it a little easier for them to go through what they're going through and not have to be anxious or over anxious because of the procedure. And I'm in a good mood and I'm laughing, and they see that I'm healthy. See, when they see somebody that has gone through what I have and he's here volunteering, they say, well, something's got to be right.
And while his enthusiasm and his time are invaluable on their own, for John, it doesn't stop there. After losing a daughter to heart disease, he felt there was even more he could do.
And so we started a nursing scholarship, and we've given out about 8 nursing scholarships, 2-year nursing scholarships, to people that work here at the hospital. They're not nurses yet, and that's how we pay them. We pay back too.
And he's really a role model for not only our other volunteers, but for the staff here as well. He's an incredibly amazing person who's been through so much. He's got a warm heart, a kind attitude, and he's all around amazing.
He is a staple here, absolutely a staple here.
It's that pulse of generosity that ensures he will always be part of the heart of this hospital.